Thursday, September 29th, and look at my room. So I actually had it all set up and whatnot. The only thing was that it wasn't decorated and I didn't have a bed frame, but that's all gonna change in this video. I propped my box spring and my mattress up since my bed frame just came in today and we're going to build it. Alright, here's the bed. I actually got this bed frame from Overstock, where we get a lot of our furniture from because they're actually really affordable. And I'm super excited. This is a new bed color for me. The last bed frame I had was pink. This one's more like a beige color with some color. Yeah, it's very neutral. We're gonna see how this works in my new room. Now we gotta get to building, the hard part. Hard part, like if we didn't walk up a whole flight of stairs. Alright, a little update. We basically just finished up the headboard. It was a little hard because at first we were using the wrong screws, and honestly the steps, I feel like they need to make them easier to read. But eventually we got it and now the headboard is done. We're gonna lift it up and start on the rest of the bed frame. My new bed frame is fully built. Check it out. I think we did a great job here. And we did it all by ourselves. Look how cute it is. I can't wait till I get my bed and my new comforters and all on here. Alright, it is the next day. Today is Friday, September 30th. It's 1:44 p.m. and I'm gonna finally put the rest of my room together. At least I hope I can get it all done today. But as you can see, I'm on my bed. It's so much higher up than it used to be. It feels kind of weird but cool at the same time. And I know it looks a little ratchet and mismatched, but that's all gonna be fixed today because I have a new comforter and new pillow set that's gonna look so cute. The only thing I don't have is new sheets, but hopefully my mom can pick that up for me at the store today. Anyways, enough talk. We've got some stuff to build and put together today. Look at this. I have my 6-cube organizer that I got from Target, and I'm gonna be putting this together so that I have something nice for my TV to stand on. Ooh, this is actually a really good angle. Ow! Ouch! Okay, that's not what we're supposed to do here. This thing's like 500 pounds for no reason. Anyways, while I'm getting this ready, I want to talk about the move as a whole so you guys can kind of get the inside scoop. So we moved to a place where I know nobody, and when I say nobody, I mean nobody. My mom knows a few people, but I don't know them, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been kind of hard to make friends. I am a social, extroverted person, but obviously everyone has their introverted moments. The thing is, I'm so used to making friends in a school setting or like a group meeting setting, if that makes any sense. So now that we're here, I feel like I have no friends. And it's been so hard. I'm just kidding, I'm fine, but obviously as an extroverted person, I want to meet people, you know? And I'm sure that's gonna happen eventually, but I just gotta figure out how. And I know some of you guys are probably confused, like, wait, isn't she 18 and in college? Well, no, I decided to take a gap year because I just want to focus on my social media work and influencing you guys and just trying to figure out life, I guess. And I feel like sometimes college can get in the way of that, even though it's the right path for some other people. I'm still trying to figure it out in this gap year. If any of you guys have any ideas of how to make friends outside of school, definitely comment down below because I'm gonna need them. Okay, here's what the stand is looking like so far. It's actually looking pretty good. The only thing is, these steps are actually really easy to follow, but I did build it wrong at first. My mom's calling. Hello?
You want just a plain one?
Yeah.
Because send it to you. It's a neutral.
Okay. This has almost broken so many doggone times. Let's continue this. I'm ready to get this done. Alright, so we have a problem. I put it together, or at least one side, and now it's stuck to the carpet. I don't even know how that happened, but when I try to lift it up, it's literally stuck to the carpet. What in the world? Now I've got more work to do. You know what? I'll see you guys when this is finally done because this is taking too long. Whew, just like that, it's finally done. My camera is actually sitting on the TV stand. Well, I guess it's not really a TV stand because I read that they don't want you to put a TV on here, but I don't care. I spent 2 hours building this thing and my TV's gonna be on here, okay? 2 or more adults are required to build this and I built it all by myself. See, just look at that. Look at this. Look. you can tell I'm definitely proud of my work here. Look how nice and clean this looks. It's actually supposed to stand this way, but I didn't like that. I want it to stand like this. It looks more like a TV stand. What the heck? I got this cute purple cupboard from Target, and I thought it comes with 2 in a set, but it's only 1. So we're just gonna have to deal with it and slide it right in there. And I also have these 2 nice plants that I got from Target as well. I have a whole bunch of other things to put in here, and that's gonna take a while. And I know you guys want to see me decorating everything else, so I'm trying to hurry up, but just stick with me, please. Next day, and we're still at it, even though I know I look pretty much the same with another purple oversized shirt on, but I don't care because it's comfy. Let me show you guys what I've got done so far. Here is the TV stand. I've put some more things in it, like my graduation photo right next to this plant, some trophies, and the letter C for my name, obviously Cidrina. And this candle's just here. But yeah, it's looking pretty good in my opinion. Also at the top here, I have this Eiffel Tower structure and a bowling ball that I got for my 8th birthday. I want my room to have a pastel purple theme to it, so I got this cosmetic mirror that I'm actually going to hang up on the wall. And yeah, the packaging is pink, but look. Yep, you can literally see my tripod. But I know a whole bunch of people on social media, whether they're YouTubers or like TikTok influencers, have been getting this, and I was like, let me hop on this trend because it's actually so cute. I love hearts. I've been loving light purple recently, as you can tell, and I think this would be so nice to put on my wall, so every time I leave my room I can check myself, see if I'm good to go, you know? There it is. It just adds a little fun, and it's pretty convenient where it is. Look, my mama got me the gray sheets that I asked for. She got them from Ross for only $18.99. I think that's a pretty good price. It is a queen size, even though my bed's a full size, but it should still work since my bed frame is pretty big. And from Amazon, I also have this pastel periwinkle comforter set. So let's make my bed. Comment down below if you've ever done that before. Ow! Oh my gosh, the amount of times I've hit my foot or stubbed my toe. Wow, I need to put something soft down there. All right, here is the final product of my bed. I love this color. It's super cute. And as you can see, I put my Squishmallow here because it's so comfy to lay on. I just really like this, and I love how it matches my mirror over here. It's all really coming together. Having a freshly made bed really makes a room, but we are not even close to done yet. Update, I just put my piano up. My mom and I had to push my bed over though to make some space for it, and I think I still have space on the other side for my nightstand once I get one. But yeah, super happy this is up. I know I'm kind of moving through this really fast, but I don't want this video to be an hour long, and I also want you guys to stay interested. So let's move on to the next thing. I got this from Amazon, and it's a 100-piece wall collage of these Danish pastel photos, and these have been everywhere. I've seen everyone with them, and they're so cute. It has a whole bunch of purple pastel photos in here, perfect for my room. And I have a really nice idea for this. Check this out. I still have my beloved 100K YouTube plaque, and I want to put it in the middle of my wall, and around my YouTube plaque I'm gonna put these Danish pastels. I know it's been some years since I've got this, but I'm still super grateful for it. All right, everyone, here is what it's looking like. It is so cute. I love this. The only thing is I think I might have put it up too high, but that's not an issue because I can always add some more on the bottom if I want to. And I wanted the shape to kind of look a little bit random, but also put together. So I definitely hope that I accomplished that. Make sure to comment down below and tell me what you think. Yeah, super duper nice. Here's what it looks like from afar. I have a lot more of them laying around in random spots that I want to put on my bare walls here. Let me tell you, this itself took a lot of time. Whatever amount of time you think it took me, times that by 3, and that's how long it took me. But maybe I should take a break. My mom kind of wants me to go to the store with her. I'm trying to decide if I should do that now or move on to something else. Hey vlog, so it's actually another day. I did not finish decorating my room yesterday like I wanted to because we went grocery shopping, and after that I was tired and I was in a bad mood, so it was not happening. But today is Sunday, October 2nd, and it's 1:11 p.m. Today we're gonna get this done because I'm tired of spreading it out through all of these days. Anyways, for once I'm not wearing purple. I'm actually wearing a dress. Check it out. I'm so extra for getting on the bed for this. And I just finished making some TikToks like this one. Nobody move, there's blood on the floor. I actually just posted that one, so make sure to check out at Peachy Queen Official. All I have to do today is put up the lights and all the extra furniture that I still have left to put in my room. And that's it, and we'll finally be done. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm trying to put up my LED lights, but they're not sticky anymore, so this is a struggle. But look at this, it's not even working. I need tape. Ugh. That's the last resort, buying new ones. So they have a tiny bit of stick. Yup. My arms are getting tired.
They had to fit it in.
It all fell apart. Okay.
Guys, do you think she should get new ones?
Well, we'll be back when we have some of the LED lights taped up, and we'll see if it works. Ooh, okay, so we got them up. My mom actually found out a way to do it with a little bit of tape, and it worked. But I'm so doggone tired. My arms, the lighting isn't even good. But we have the second strip of LED lights to put up, and then the sparkly one. So we still got a lot to do. Update! We got the second strip of LED lights up, so this whole part of the wall is covered. Time for the big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Look at them. They're on now. It took forever though for me to finally turn these lights on because the connectors just weren't connecting. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, and the math was not mathing. But now it is. And the lights are on. So cute. And guess what? Now I don't have to buy new ones. These are still so nice. Pretty much new, I guess you can say. And it's gonna look so good in the back of my videos. It's really coming together. Now time for the sparkly lights up here. Oh my gosh, this is turning into a disaster. You know what? Maybe this kind of looks cool that way. But I feel like if I keep it like that, it's just going to keep on ripping and ripping. So I'm going to have to fix it. But we got the sparkly lights up, and I don't really know if I like it. I kind of wanted them to continue here, but my mom wanted to put it down to this level. I don't know why. I guess so that this doesn't pull the whole thing apart. Why is a dirty sock right here? But yeah, it doesn't cover the whole surface because of that. But I don't know, maybe I should buy some other things to go in those spaces. We'll see what I do. But I'm too tired to keep rearranging this today. Next, I'm gonna put some pictures up, like this one that I got from the thrift store. It says, I will follow God's plan for me. This is so perfect for me right now, especially in this time of my life. Actually, for everyone, we just gotta follow God's plan because sometimes we really don't know what we're doing. So I'm just cleaning it off with a little glass cleaner. Here's what it looks like, by the way. So nice, and it matches my room. It's like this very, very light periwinkle color. So this is perfect. I think I'm going to put it by my bed over here. Okay, and next I have this purple heel picture that I've had for years, but I took it out of my old room because it wasn't really matching the vibe. But since my room is mainly purple, this would be perfect. And I'm gonna put it on the other side of my window, just like that. Ooh. That's what they look like on both sides of the window. Sorry guys, I know the lighting is so bad. Alright everyone, my room is finally done. Here's a little room tour for you so you can see everything together. So when you walk in, this is what you see. Obviously, most of the action is going on over here where my bed is. But first, we have my purple heart mirror to the left. Over here, I don't have anything just because my door will be opening and closing and I don't want anything to get covered here. But this is something. I have my little white rack where I hang my small purses, my robe, and a bunch of other different things. Of course, we have the sparkling lights. You keep walking forward and you meet my piano set over here. Sadly, I don't have the cord that connects it to the outlet, so I can't play it yet. But hopefully I find it eventually so I can start playing the piano again. That's something I've really been wanting to do. And above it, I put this Jurassic heart poster that I got when I was at Universal Studios, so I can remember the fun moments that I had. We have my Danish Pastel pieces over here. This is my favorite part of my room. I love it. I hope you guys love it too, by the way. And over here I have a painting that I made on my birthday. We did a whole painting session. That vlog should be up, so definitely make sure to check that vlog out after this if you haven't seen it yet. To the left, we have my I Will Follow God's Plan for Me picture up here. On the other side of the window is the purple heel photo. And of course, I can't forget my bed. It looks so nice. I love this color right here, and it's just such a nice set. I didn't know if I would like the beige bed frame, but I actually really do. Here's the last part. We have my TV on top of my TV stand, all my different add-ins that I put in here. This is gonna have all my random knickknacks and things that I don't have a place for them to go. My Xbox trash can, everything I need right here. And above the TV, it's just bare wall. But check this out, I have about 33 more of these Danish pastels left, so I could put them above my TV in a different design, but I'm not sure. Comment down below if you want me to put these up in my TV area since it's just bare wall, or if you want me to get a different kind of decor that you think would look really nice here. And how could I forget the LED lights? These really help make the room as well and will be great for TikTok, social media things, and even YouTube. We have my mirror here to capture everything. All right, everyone, that concludes this room decor vlog. This has been a long day process. I think it took me a total of 3 days just to get all of this done. And I know it doesn't look perfect, but it's just a start. I'm probably gonna be adding some more things or moving things around maybe, and we'll see where it goes from here. But hopefully this was as realistic as I could make it. I really wanted to bring you guys through this process with me because I think it's fun. And I hope you guys are really enjoying these moving chronicles. This is new, and I wanna share the experience with you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And please like, comment, and subscribe for more moving chronicles. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye!